Hello mga peeps, so today is her 3rd month old. So sayon ako siya iligo. Very early. It's almost 8 a.m. na di ay. Usually kasi nililigo ko to pag gigising siya mga 9 or 10. Pero mas maaga siya gumising, hindi ko alam pa. Wala lang, hindi naman siya gutom. Ay, oo pala kasi nagpapatanggal ng diaper. So anyways, mag-practice me o roll over. I-roll over na ko siya para nabaho na siya mo. You know, churba-churba. Wait lang. Okay. It's you. It's you. It's you, best community. It's you. It's you. It's you, best community. La, 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 la. Roll over the ocean, roll over the sea, roll over the ocean in deep blue sea. Okay, balik. Mag-roll over tayo. Roll over the ocean. Ano kaya? Ganyan. Do like this. Ganyan mo tiil. And then the other side. Ganyan like this. Okay. Stop moving. Okay, then there you go. Roll over the ocean, roll over the sea. Oh, nangutot. Ganyan, ano, baby? Practice. And then, do like this. Exercise. Ay, maulo eh. Pero nga na. Oh, do like that. Okay. Okay. Ting, tiki, ting, 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 luya. Ting, tiki, ting, 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 ting. More practice, baby. More practice. Okay. Balik ta. Okay. Then, balik. Okay. Alright. I don't know if this is kuan, baby. Kana sakto ba ni? Tama ba to? Pero, I think so. That's what I saw in the video, no? Again. Roll over the ocean, eh. Roll over the ocean. Roll over the sea. Roll over the ocean in deep blue sea. Roll over the ocean. And do like that. And then your legs. Ana. And then do like this. Oops. And then, okay. You can do that. Okay, yay. Hello, is a baby. Okay, yes. Good. Good job, baby. Good job. More practice. Okay. Oh, galuin ta. Naglisod ang mong palangga. And then, balik. Do like this. And then, do like that. Ay, mura to. So that's it, Bino. That's it for today. Kapoy ka? Are you tired? Are you tired? Kaluoy, ay. So ayan, nagutom siya sa iyang roll over. So yung roll over the ocean. Luuya, pipi, ay. Ano to siya? Practice lang. A little bit more practice. Diba, mga peeps? So, stay tuned to my next video, mga peeps. Thank you for watching. Bye!